Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an Audi A4 window regulator. First, you'll want to identify the symptoms of a failing regulator, like a window that won't move or makes grinding noises. Next, gather your tools, including a trim removal kit, screwdrivers, and the new regulator. Always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any electrical work to ensure your safety throughout the process. Now let's remove the door panel. Begin by locating and removing all screws, often hidden behind trim pieces or under armrests. Use a trim removal tool to carefully pry off the plastic clips holding the panel in place. Once loose, gently pull the panel away and disconnect any electrical connectors for the window switch, door handle, and other components. Take your time to prevent breaking any tabs. With the door panel off, you can access the old window regulator. Carefully unbolt the window glass from the regulator and secure the glass in the up position with tape. Then, unbolt and remove the entire old regulator assembly. Install the new regulator, ensuring all bolts are tightened to specification. Reconnect the window motor to the new regulator and perform a quick test to confirm it moves smoothly before proceeding. Finally, it's time for reassembly and testing. Carefully reattach all electrical connectors to the door panel components. Align the door panel and firmly press it back into place, ensuring all clips engage. Reinstall all screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. Thoroughly test the window's operation, checking for smooth up and down movement and proper sealing. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.